Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back to it to those of you who haven't been here before. This is my study, stroke man cave, stroke studio, stroke workshop. I do everything in here. I sit here sometimes and I fix motorcycle brake calipers. I do all sorts. But that's not the point. So to those of you who've stuck around, first of all, thank you very much. That'll be about probably 3 of you. This was a new YouTube channel. And just after creating it and putting some content on it, I basically injured my shoulder. There's a lot of issues, but I'm back. And I have decided to take up a new hobby. What is it, I hear you ask? Well, it's not cheap. I decided that being an idiot, and let's classify this at the start, I am an idiot. I'm a technically minded idiot, but I kind of bumble into things. So I decided that I'm going to take up 3D printing as a new hobby, because why not? It's so cheap and affordable. It's none of those things, but it can be. It isn't necessarily expensive. It just depends on what you buy. Now, for those of you who follow me on Blue Sky, that's my Blue Sky social up there. I also have an Instagram. It's like my YouTube. I haven't used it for ages. I promise I will. I don't have that other platform that we don't speak of. So, basically, I am going to get a printer and a few bits and bobs that are necessary to do 3D printing. And I am going to, as an idiot, and I'm not suggesting everyone that starts out in 3D printing is an idiot, it's just me. I am a special kind of idiot. I am going to see if, in the modern age, 3D printing is accessible to everyone. Can an idiot like me, can someone without any knowledge of 3D printing whatsoever get a new fancy machine and do it? And that's my journey. That's what we're going to find out. Now, as to what I bought, well, I ummed and ahed. I went through a lot of reviewing and researching, and I came down to 2 manufacturers that I saw a machine that I would like from. And I couldn't really, they have differences. They do different things in different ways. Better one thing, better another thing. You know what I mean? It's kind of a toss-up. I don't know what I'm doing there. But anyway, the 2 manufacturers are, of course, Bamboo Labs. I don't think that's a surprise to anybody. And Quiddy. I don't know how it's pronounced, but I hear a lot of people pronouncing it as different things, so I'd look forward to someone frenetically telling me in the comments below. Now, I've seen a lot of people referring it to as Kiddie. I won't be calling it that, because there is no way I'm coming up to my room saying, right, I'm off up to my man cave to play with my kiddie. There's some Gary Glitter level vibes in there, and we're not doing that. Awkward. But anyway, to keep this PC and move on, I couldn't decide between the Bamboo X1 Carbon and the Quiddy Plus 4. Like I say, both have pros and cons. Neither are perfect. And neither, by a long shot, is the user. So I thought, well, let's look these companies up. So I read other people's reviews of them. They were a very mixed bag for both. And I looked up Trustpilot reviews of them, and they were a very not mixed bag for both. Because you see, surprisingly, Bamboo Labs had a Trustpilot. I'm running off the top of my head there, I'll put them on the screen. I think it was 2.1 or 2.2 for Bamboo Labs, and then it was 2.9 potentially for Quiddy. That's not great, really. And a lot of the complaints centered around customer service, about them getting in touch with these people, and them never ever getting back to you. So, well, that left a problem or two, didn't it? I thought I'll get in touch with both of them. And I'll tell them who I am. I made sure I said to them I'm not an influencer. I'm not even a YouTuber per se. I mean, I'm just restarting a new YouTube channel. But I am looking to get into 3D printing, and I am new to this, and I have done a lot of research, and I have come to 2 companies, yours and another, that I want to get in touch with and just have a quick word about what's going on with customer service, because you both have very low reviews. And I'm kind of looking for a little reassurance. I'm kind of looking to see, are the reviews as bad as they are? Or, are you doing something? Are you aware of issues with your customer service, and maybe they're doing something to fix them. So, what happened? Well, Quiddy, oh God, I'm going to call it something different every time, but that company got back to me within 24 hours. In fact, less than 24 hours. And the lovely person there reassured me that, yep, they are aware, they've had issues with customer service in the past, but they do their best, and if I have a problem with the printer, if I decide to go with them, they will do everything they can, as quick as they can, to make sure that it is rectified. That was quite reassuring, and they wished me a happy and prosperous new year. Lovely. So I thought, okay, that's good. That's good. It's a good start. It shows that they do get in touch quickly, as opposed to some of the reviews that said they waited for a considerable length of time before they heard anything back. So now to Bamboo Labs. And Bamboo Labs contacted me never. I think we're on day 6 now, at time of recording. At time I'm getting ready to put this out, I'll probably change the number up here to tell you how many days it was, or if it has actually happened. But Bamboo Labs, nothing. Not a peep, Bamboo Labs. I am disappointed in you. I actually thought Bamboo Labs would be the one that got back to me first. I did. But they didn't. In fact, they haven't. And that's really disappointing. And it's worrying, as a new customer spending an awful lot of money, that if I have a problem, so say I had contacted them not about wanting a bit of information, but I'd contact them because, oh look, my printer's not working. Well, I'd be on day 7 now, or 6, again, it's up there, of just sitting with my printer not working, not knowing what to do, and I think I'd be pretty peeved off, especially for the money you're paying. Whereas Quiddy, they got in touch with me very quickly and provided reassurance, and I'm sorry, Bamboo Labs, that swung me. And I'm pretty sure Bamboo Labs fans out there would tell me I chose the wrong printer, or maybe Creality people will tell me I chose the wrong printer, or everybody will tell me I chose the wrong printer, except for people who've got the Quiddy Plus 4 who'll tell me I chose the right printer. But the bottom line is, I chose a printer, and they're all different, and we all have different views. It's the same in the tech world. We all have different views of literally everything. As you can see, I'm a bit of a Star Wars fan. This is the second time we've been making this video, because the first time that camera didn't work, and the first time I was actually wearing a Star Wars t-shirt. Fun fact. I'm looking forward to taking people on my journey as a complete novice, as a bit of a Muppet, in creating bundles of string and spaghetti. And if people have got opinions or valid views on what they think is good, or things that they do or they did when they were starting, hey, hit me up in the comments. Always welcome to hear them. If you just want to tell me I'm an idiot, probably not worth it. I already know I'm an idiot. So there we go. That's where we're at. I think my next video I'll show you what I've bought. The printer has arrived. It is still in its box. The filament dryer has been unboxed. I've had a bit of a look at it. It was unboxed when I made the last video that failed and didn't work. So it is out of its box, but I'll have a look at it. We'll go over it. And yeah, we'll have another blether. But let's do that on another day. For now, this is me. This is my channel. I do all sorts. I'm now doing 3D printing, but I do motorcycle stuff. I do motorcycle repair stuff. I'm pretty big on my consumer rights. I don't like being taken for a ride by anybody. I have some long and very badly edited Peugeot videos because I had a lot of problems with the Peugeot van. If you really want to see how hard I hit when I get poor customer service, the end result of the Peugeot one is I fought them for 3.5 years and I won. So, bonus. But, hey, this is the 3D print journey. I'm going to take you on it. I'm trying to keep, because this channel has a multiplicity of things on it, I'm going to try and keep them in video playlists. So one for bikes, one for Peugeot, which I'm going to leave there, even though they're not the best edited videos. They were just created out of frustration to make a point. And one for my 3D print journey. So please do look back. And, you know, if you could, I would really, really appreciate a subscribe, a like, and yeah, just let's see where it goes. If you don't like my content, you don't have to subscribe. You don't have to like. Nobody's forcing you. It's free. Click the button. It's all good. Anyway, I will catch you beautiful people and you beautiful people next time. Take care. Bye-bye.